Right. Road to funded day one. Never been funded in my life. I've only had two funded accounts. This brand new funded account I bought and my previous one, which I reached 2.3K on a 50K. And I forgot to rebuild the account. So I lost that. And now I've got a fresh funded account and I want to document the whole series. So it is right now 2:15 UK time. So we have 15 minutes until market opens. So what we're going to do is I'll show you guys the funded account. We are 50K and $39. Well, we're $39 up right now. So I took a trade on Friday and I exited it early because there was no reason for me to take a trade. It was very stupid. But anyway, we're going to set up the daily bias. So right now we have for USD, let's go to Monday 25th. We've got a bank holiday in the UK, which I don't think is going to affect too much today. Um, some European news, and then we have new home sales, which comes out at 3 o'clock, which might affect price a tiny bit. So, but it's only an orange folder, so not too worried about that. We'll see if we get an entry beforehand. I don't really think I'm going to wait unless nothing appears, and I'd rather wait. But anyway, so let's see what price is doing for today. So we have a 4 hour right here. So we have a 4 hour right there, some lows right there. Let's go down to the 1 hour on Nasdaq. I want to use this 4 hour right here. I want to target the 50% mark. That's already one draw on liquidity I have for today. Uh, let's see. Go down into the 15 minute. We have highs here, which would be nice to take out. So one idea we could have is come up, take out these highs, and then push down into this FVG right here. That would be a pretty nice entry, a pretty nice trade for today. And there isn't really too much because we had a massive push up on Friday, which was due to, I think it was a speech from Powell. So that's that. There really isn't too much going on the charts right now. I like to see something form. Like best thing I like to see for today is push up, take out these highs, and come down. Um, so that that is market open right there. We have this right here, which is before news, which would be pretty nice to see it taken out. In fact, I'll probably put it on this wick right here, so we take out this. Like it's like I guess we can say class this as an order block. These two candles down. So that is for Nasdaq right now. Right now I'm bearish. I want to target this 50% mark and this low of news. Um, on ES, we go over to ES now. So we have the same thing for a massive 4 hour FEG. We are at all-time highs as well on ES and Nasdaq. Nasdaq's pushed down a bit more. Um, let's see what's down on the 1 hour time frame. So we have very similar, basically. These highs right here. And then we want to put it at here. Target this right there, which is before news. Be pretty nice to sweep that. Or target that, sorry. And then same thing, target the 50% mark of the 4 hour. Want to see these highs get taken out beforehand. And market opens in 10 minutes now. So yeah, this is the idea for today. Let's see what happens anyway. And yeah, I'm gonna skip to market open now, and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Right, market just opened. Want to see some of these highs get taken out before we go further down. Let's see what shows itself. See what happens here. We have also got massive SMT here coming off this high to this high, and on Nasdaq from this high to this low. Right, there is an SMT. forming right now. But I don't think I want to take this long up anyway. I'd rather wait for these highs to get taken out because I'm a lot more bearish and bullish there. Right, pushing up on ES and NAS. This is what I want to see. Take out London session would be quite nice. Right, just taking out London highs on NASDAQ and ES. This is nice. News came out as well. It was bullish. Gave us a nice push up. Right, again, heavy pushes down on ES now. Just pushed. We're in this 1 minute FUG we're rejecting off. I want to see this get taken out just like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to enter a sell sometime soon. Once this 1 minute candle closes, we'll enter a few contracts on ES. If it closes below the 1 minute, that is. Nasdaq still pushing a bit higher. Looks like it's going to close above the 1 minute. So we'll give it a bit more time before we actually enter. Especially if Nasdaq's still pushing up. ES is so much more choppy than Nasdaq, but we do have like some nice draws and liquidity down here. Got this one right there, this low right there, this low right there, this low right there, which we can use as magnets down towards the 50% mark. We just got to wait for a few more confluences to actually enter the trade, so we know it's just not going to reverse on us, or there's a higher risk on it not trying to reverse on us. Right, we're going to enter here, free right there. We're down $28 already. Damn, it's fine. We'll sell. Amount right down there. Try to get a better entry actually. I reckon we're gonna get stopped out, but plan is to just go and actually have a nap and then wake up and hope for the best. So I'm gonna just fast forward it again.
Order filled.